So welcome to one and all. Today we'll learn what is additive manufacturing or 3D printing. Nowadays you all got familiar with this term 3D printing, 3D printing, 3D printing. Next industry miracle, the next game changer. Everything not it has become a very big buzzword. So today let's see what is this 3D printing or technical speaking additive manufacturing. So before we see that, let us see what is manufacturing. See, we all know manufacturing. What is that? Simply making an object. In general, if you see this manufacturing, we can classify into general terms. One term is that you can think about the sculpture. How this is made? You take a wood log. From that, you remove all the unnecessary part and get this shape. That is one type. And second, if you want to make something, you can do casting. That is, you get a mold, whatever shape you require, simply pour the metal or liquid form, it gets solid form, then automatically you get the shape. These are good, it seems nice, and this is the majorly how most of the objects are made. Then what is this 3D printing? What is it? So let's see what. See, in additive manufacturing, what we will be doing is that, of course, we will be manufacturing, but that's not the deal. How we will be manufacturing is that the best example is that you can see this figure. You can take this spear. Now think that take this spear, you cut this spear into n number of parts, like only in one direction only, but into very small a circle shape having thickness negligible. Then what you will get? You will get small circles itself. So what in 3D printing will be doing is will be printing layer by layer. Whatever object you get, you will start doing it by layer by layer. That is, you make a 2D projection of one thing and print it. And next step, by whatever thickness we have cut, we'll go up and start printing. The best example you can see about this another picture also. Same way, that is, in simply words you can say additive manufacturing is nothing but a printing layer by layer. For example, you think my final object is cylinder itself for better understanding. So what I can do, a big cylinder of like height 20 meters cylinder, but now there's a problem. I have only logs of height each having only like 1 centimeter, but I want a total cylinder of 20 centimeter. What I will do, simply I will place this 1 centimeter wood logs upon each other and stick them with glue. Then I will get a cylinder of height 20 centimeter. Same way, whatever object we need to make, we will make them cut into small, means this is done totally digitally. There is no any manual thing, totally in digital format in computer itself. This totally it's done. This is known as tessellation. First is tessellation, second cutting of layers. So by this totally happens in computer. Then we will start printing. It's so simple. By this major thing, there is no wastage. That is called as additive manufacturing. It's so simple. Just what object you got, just make it into two layer by layer and print it. That's it. Then you may be thinking, why I need this? I got my conventional which is cheap, this AM processor very costly. Why I need to go? The thing is that, see, this conventional we got some difficult shape. Like for example, this shape, it is very difficult to manufacture them. It takes so much of time and so much, some objects we cannot make also. For this all things, 3D manufacturing, additive manufacturing is the best way, because it makes very simple. Whatever be the complex shape, you can simply get it done. That's the major advantage. Okay, nice. You may be saying, wow, this is so amazing. So then you may be asking, what about this steel plants, furnace, they are going to lose because this additive manufacturing is going to replace? The answer is not yes, not no. It is in between. See, this additive manufacturing is like an addition to it. It helps, but it's not like it's totally gonna replace it. And if you're gonna talk more detail about this additive manufacturing, especially in manufacturing of metal, we can say it as like a addition in welding itself. If you take the welding to next level, then it is nothing but additive manufacturing. So that's it. So additive manufacturing is never gonna totally change or replace the old thing. It's got old manufacturing is there and AM also is there. They're gonna coexist and develop thing. And one more thing is that this has got so much advantage that people started printing organs also by using this additive manufacturing. It's in still development stage, but this is scope for printing the organs. That's much so applicable, and we can get so much of size, from size in like very small millimeter shapes to very large shapes. That's the beauty of additive manufacturing. So thank you.